the Mumbai Pinkathon on the 15th of December 2013. Very happy to announce the second edition. We started with the Pinkathon in Mumbai last year on the 16th of December. It was a great success. And the success of the Mumbai Pinkathon enabled us to take it to four cities this year. And we're very proud to do that because it's very difficult to do an event like this even in one city. And because of the response that we got from women all across the country, we were able to do this in Bangalore, we were able to do the event in Delhi and Pune, and now the second event in Mumbai. The support of the media, and without the support also of many people across the country who have helped us to do this event. The Pinkathon is an event that encourages women from all backgrounds to take care of their own health. We find that in our country today, unfortunately, women neglect themselves a lot. They pay a lot of attention to the health of their children, to their families, their husbands, maybe even the husbands' families, but they never pay attention to their own health. So this initiative wants to encourage more women to take up an active lifestyle, spend more time for themselves. There is one cause that we talk about specifically in the Pinkathon, and we are really passionate about this cause. That cause is breast cancer awareness. We do a lot of awareness creating promotional campaigns in every city about what breast cancer means today in a country like India, how difficult it is in a situation where you know that almost 1 in 20 women are going to fall prey to this disease at some point in their life. So we want to do our bit. We are not experts in breast cancer or any kind of disease, but we have partners who give us their expertise and who are also passionate about the cause, and they talk about it and they help us to spread awareness through the Pinkathon. So I'd like to introduce our first guest today. He's the Director of Health Services of HCG, and because of HCG's support and the value that they see in this event, we have been able to take the Pinkathon to many cities. And we're really thankful to HCG to be a part of this. And I'd like to invite Mr. Dinesh Madhavan to speak about his involvement with the Pinkathon. A big hand, please. Okay, so a lady we all know. When Maximus thought of the Pinkathon a couple of years ago, and we wanted to do something for a cause, the first person that I thought of was Devika Bhojwani. Devika Bhojwani herself is a survivor of breast cancer. She's an incredibly inspiring woman. She goes all over the country, to other countries as well, inspiring women, inspiring people about how to live their lives in a better way. Devika Bhojwani started the Women's Cancer Initiative, Tata Memorial Hospital, especially to help underprivileged women. Not only with the disease, but rehabilitation, counseling, and everything connected with women's wellness, I would like to say. And it's not just about a disease. It's about being able to deal with it physically, mentally, emotionally. There's a lot that goes on behind it. So I'd like Devika to tell us a little bit about her involvement with the WCI and with the Pinkathon. Some response there as well. Our next guest, very, very special guest, my dear, dear friend, who understands that beauty is not just on the outside, and it's difficult to go beyond that with her because she's so beautiful, but the fact is that she's 10 times more beautiful inside, and this is something that she really understands well. She has a saying that if you love yourself, you know, you can win the world, right? So I'm very happy to have Bipasha here. She has supported us right from the first year. As Devika mentioned, she flagged off the registrations last year in Bombay. She's here again to show her support. Thank you very much, Bipasha. We'd like a few words from you about your involvement with.
Well, Devika's story is truly inspirational. It's so important. Life is so precious. And we as women in different roles, whether we are mothers, wives, daughters, you know, we kind of bind the house together. It's so important to love yourself. You know, this philosophy that I talk about, I've learned it from my own mother. And be kind of, you know, being taught from the time we are born, we are taught to be givers. We kind of somewhere forget ourselves. It's very important for each and every woman to realize that they are precious to their family, that they should be precious to themselves. You know, life is so important. So it's very important to look after your health for a woman. They have to be aware. And I really have to thank, you know, causes like Pinkathon. I want to thank Maximus, Milan, Devika, everyone who's involved in this event, because it's just doing so much for us, all of us. I want as many women to come out and run on the 15th of December for Pinkathon. And a very important part, especially, you know, you guys present out here as the media can play in taking the word out, you know, spreading the word more and more. Because the more the awareness about health for a woman and for a man, I would say just take the cause of health forward, and definitely, you know, these diseases like cancer, like the breast cancer awareness that we are talking about for this event is so important for every person to be, you know. Because, we think that it can't happen to us, but it can happen to anybody. So you have to be careful. And I can just say, all the very best to the entire team. And may Pinkathon happen in each and every city of India soon. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Bipasha. I have a for the Pinkathon in all 4 cities with us here today. And I'd like Bipasha to present her with a special bib that says 10,000. And Megha Punjabi, who is in the Pinkathon, please take your bib from Bipasha. The 10,000th woman who will run in the Pinkathon across India. We're very, very proud to have her here with us today. Thank you very much. Thank you. If there are any questions that you'd like to ask.
I'm Sasha. Nice to meet you. Bipasha, we know that you're very fit. Everyone knows about your fitness regime and all of that, which is very important for awareness like this. But when it comes to your family, your mother, your sisters, how much of awareness do you, put on them and people around you, and what kind of fitness regime do they follow?
It's not working? Working? Yeah. The philosophy of love yourself that I follow and I preach and I talk about very strongly has come from my mother. She has looked after 3 daughters, including me. We are 3 sisters. And yet, she's a homemaker. She provides for us. But she always looks after her health. I've seen this and I've learned it from my own mother. And every morning, as I wake up and as I'm about to do something active, the first 2 calls that I make is to my Didi, Bidisha, and to my younger sister, Vijayata. So definitely it runs in the family. I consciously talk to them. And I have to say at times it's tough because everybody takes your life a little bit for granted. My older sister has got rheumatoid arthritis, and I have got osteoarthritis. And it's not easy, to have these problems at a very young age, and yet, to be fit. But every day I motivate myself. I try to motivate as many people around me, my friends, people I meet in the gym, people I meet at work. And it's just a constant thing for me. It's something that makes me happy to see a person get fitter in front of my eyes, looking after themselves. So for me, it's just a way of life now.
Thank you so much.
Films are topical, and yes, they carry the message very strongly. If there is a film like that, and if the story is good, I would definitely love to be a part of it.
Milan Thornby, is it on 9th or 8th? Would you want to talk about that, please?
Yes, I'd like to say that it is really, as Bipasha mentioned also, that films are made on topical issues. And I think that maybe we've done our bit so far. We're trying to do whatever we can. And I think there are more and more people talking about this cause today across the country. I mean, it's become really something that people don't ignore anymore, we hope. So, of course, when we spoke about the Pinkathon, now I get calls probably every day from different cities. I just got a call while I was driving here from Nagpur saying that we want to do the Pinkathon in Nagpur. And how can we do this? And, you know, how can we raise the funds for it? And what is the procedure? And I said that, unfortunately, we can't do as many cities as we'd like to right now. Because, of course, we need support from sponsors. We need support from the local population. And we are focusing right now on the main metros, which is Bombay, Delhi, Calcutta, Bangalore, Chennai, cities like that. But to go to, we even tried a smaller city this year, which was Pune, and we did get a great response. But the main thing is to get corporates also to support this, because it's not an event, there's no event that you can do without support from corporates, without sponsorships. So all I tell them is that if there is a dedicated group in that city, we will definitely come in, and we would love to do the Pinkathon there and spread awareness about breast cancer there. In fact, just thinking about the fact that we should go to smaller towns and smaller cities and activating groups in every city, because of course if Maximus were to do it, or I were to do it, or even HCG were to do it, or WCI, there is a certain limit to what we can do on our own. So we did another event as an experiment called Mega Pink. In fact, just last Sunday. And I appealed across the country for ambassadors from their cities who would like to do an event to spread awareness about breast cancer. And we did that event on Sunday in 40 cities on the same day. So that was a great eye-opener for me to see that there is an interest. People want to do it. They think the cause is really important. And they just did it on their own. They just said, under the banner of Mega Pink, they promoted what the Pinkathon stands for. So, yes, we get inquiries every day. We'd like to go everywhere. And hopefully, soon, we will reach more and more people.
Thank you so much. Good luck with that.
Bipasha, do we also...
Yeah, if Tanuja, you know, frees me on 15th of December, I would definitely be there. I think there is a 3-kilometer, 5-kilometer, and 10-kilometer run. Yeah, whatever's allowed. I have tried to run in the Mumbai Marathon before, and I've been stopped every time. I've tried to run the the Delhi Half Marathon, which I'm a brand ambassador of. So it's a little tough. People don't allow me, but I'll try. For Milind and Devik, I'll try.
Also, Bipasha, आपकी friends और colleagues में से वो कौन से लोग हैं जो आपके हिसाब से apt हैं fitness और running for a cause के लिए?
I think सभी fit हैं. आज की दुनिया अगर आप देखेंगे, आज के जो कलाकार हैं, सभी fit हैं. तो सभी दौड़ सकते हैं और cause के लिए definitely सभी आगे आ सकते हैं. ऐसे causes के साथ जुड़ सकते हैं.
But who are the top rankers in your list, Bipasha?
I think Akshay Kumar is the fittest. Milind Soman, definitely no one can touch him when it comes to running. It's impossible. There's so many times I've told Milind, please, encourage me to run like you. And he keeps telling me, and every time he calls me, I kind of chicken out because it's difficult to match him. I think, but most people are fit in today's time. Everybody is doing something or the other, And the kind of thing that you do is not very important. It's as long as you are active.
Can't you think of any women?
Me? I'm sitting right in front of you. I really don't think much about women in that way. But yeah, in terms of encouraging every woman, like just talking about a woman from Bollywood, I think more than that, we should talk about every woman from every walk of life in today's time. Everyone should come forward and run.
Hi, Bipasha.
Before you ask the next question, there is a very, very important connection between running and cancer or any other kind of disease. It helps build up your immunities. Running is one of the most powerful ways to build up your immunities. And cancer, everybody knows, we all carry cancer cells. It's only when our immunities are down, when we start neglecting ourselves, when there is depletion of various imbalances that take place in our system, is when the cancer starts acting and working. So running is probably one of the best ways to immunize yourself from not only cancer, but heart and various hypertension, just so many. So what easier way than just running? And beautiful to be out there in the fresh air. You don't need equipment. You don't need anything else. So that is a connection. And that's why it's so important that more and more women realize that and come forward. Thank you.
Bipasha,
it's also very liberating. When you actually run, you kind of get addicted to it because it's just a very liberating experience. Everyone should try it.
Bipasha,
would you like to share 5 such tips with us regarding health and fitness for women? And also one thing which you do every morning when you get up.
But first, well, like I say, I actually use that phrase. The way you brush your teeth every day, that's the way you have to stay active and do something for your body every day. Something, some physically active, some kind of exercise. Right now we're talking about running. Running is the easiest thing to do, so you should try it. I only talk about, the same thing. Love yourself. The day you start respecting your body and everything stems out of there. You can have the best of career, money, fame, love, family. If you don't have health, you don't have anything. You will suffer. So it's very important to focus on it. And, it's really serious. Every single person, the busiest of people, always give me an excuse. We don't have time. I think that's just an excuse. If you don't have time for your body, for your health, then I think whatever you're investing your time in is really foolish. You have to first invest in health.
बिपाशा, यहाँ सब लोग अवेयरनेस की बात कर रहे हैं, रनिंग की बात कर रहे हैं. आई एम श्योर यहाँ पर बैठे हुए 80% लोगों को नहीं पता होगा कि ब्रेस्ट कैंसर के सिम्टम्स क्या होते हैं एंड वुमेन्स कौन सी एज होती है जहाँ से ज़्यादा. तो बिपाशा, कैन यू टेल मी, आपको कुछ अगर पता हो.
मैं आपको कह दूं इनको और फिर वो बताएंगी. Just imagine this is Bipasha talking, okay? Basically, very important. There are very few symptoms apart from when a cancer is in its later stages, you can start feeling a lump in your breasts. The important thing is after you're 20, 25.
I'm sorry, can you tell me Hindi please? Yeah,
25 साल के बाद हम advise करते हैं सब ladies को कि learn how to do a self breast examination. बहुत ही simple होता है. You can pick up that it's taught to you on the net. Your gynecologist will teach it to you. ये हम क्यों सिखाते हैं कि you must know what your normal breast feels like. कि अपने normal breast कैसे हैं. We all have slight imbalances जो भी होता है. And once a month, if you just learn in the bath, in front of the mirror, you learn how to do a self-breast examination. ये हम क्यों सिखाते हैं? क्यों कुछ भी along the way change हो गया, तो you will pick it up. आप कह सकते हो कि ये last month it wasn't looking hard, there wasn't this a spot here which was sensitive. There's a change, and then you can report it. If you actually don't know what your normal breasts feel like, not look like, but feel like, you will never pick up the early signs. And why we say this, हम क्यों कहते हैं ऐसे क्यों? Early signs is when you should immediately go, and by the age of 40 हम कहते हैं कि women should go and get a mammogram done. Mammogram क्या होता है? It's a breast X-ray. हम rest of the body को X-ray करवा सकते हैं. So it's an X-ray of your breasts. Every 2 years after you're 40 they recommend it. After 50 कहते हैं कि every year women should get it done. हिंदुस्तान में हम देख रहे हैं कि breast cancer is actually touching the lives of younger women than in the West. 30, 35. I get a call every day from some girl. Late marriages, women are working now, neglecting, they are having children but not breastfeeding them, they're having late children. All these are adding to it. I think these are some of the causes, and I'd really be happy if you girls actually looked up the net. We have a website, a Women's Cancer Initiative. It's simple, it's wci.co.in. Information is given on a breast self-checkup, on what ages you should go, where you should go for a checkup. So it's wci.co.in. Please check it.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am.
Bipasha, it's okay if you can hear me. Hi. आपने शुरुआत करी थी प्रिंकाथॉन की और इसी जगह से करी थी, if I'm not wrong, और काफ़ी कामयाब भी रहा है, अब यहाँ तक पहुँच गए हैं. बीच में मिलिंद ने कहीं कहा कि ज़रूरी नहीं है कि सिर्फ फीमेल ही आए, मेल भी आ सकते हैं. इंडस्ट्री में बहुत से लोग हैं, और जब भी कोई बॉलीवुड सेलिब्रिटी इस तरह के कॉज से जुड़ता है तो अवेयरनेस ज़्यादा होती है, ये सभी मानते हैं, आप भी जानती हैं. अगर किसी एक रणवीर कपूर या रणवीर सिंह जो आज की तारीख में यंगस्टर के आइकॉन हैं, उनको अगर बुलाना चाहें और साथ में फ्लैग ऑफ करना चाहें तो रणवीर कपूर और रणवीर सिंह, इन दोनों में से किसको बुलाना चाहेंगी आप?
दोनों आ जाए. दोनों आए या और भी लोगों को लेके आए साथ में.
रणवीर और
इनवाइटेड है.
बिपाशा, रणवीर और रणवीर
क्या ऐसा कुछ है क्या? जो फ्री रहेगा आएगा, या दोनों आ जाए? What do you think? Milind, more the merrier, no, for us? आई थिंक रणवीर सिंह की पॉपुलैरिटी है, रणबीर कपूर की पॉपुलैरिटी है, और जितने लोग इस ऐसे कॉजेस से जुड़ेंगे, कॉजेस का अच्छा होगा, लोगों की अवेयरनेस बढ़ेगी, तो मेरे हिसाब से तो पूरी बॉलीवुड आ जाए तो चलेगा, यू नो, सबके फैंस फिर फॉलो करेंगे, सब दौड़ेंगे।
बिपाशा, आप बहुत खूबसूरत लग रहे हो। एंड ऐसी कहावत है कि लाइक, अभी कहावत नहीं बट ऐसा लगता है कि जब लड़कियां बहुत खुश होती हैं तो समवेयर एक हैप्पीनेस होती है कहीं ना कहीं, तो इज इट लाइक अ लव?
Oh, it's my love for running. मैं एक्चुअली बताना चाहूंगी, ये इवेंट से पहले सुबह 8 बजे मैं अपने जिम में दौड़ के आई हूँ। तो जब आप दौड़ते हैं, you know, it's happy hormones in your body and you just look happy and that's it. That's the radiance, I guess.
बिपाशा को प्यार हुआ है अब तक? मतलब अब कुछ
मुझे हर चीज से प्यार है। ये पिंक फूलों से प्यार है, देविका से प्यार है, मिलिंद से प्यार है, सबसे प्यार है। आप लोगों से प्यार है।
On that note, where we have love for everybody.
साथ ही साथ ये जानना चाहूंगी आपसे कि आपने एक लीडिंग डेली में कहा कि जब मुझे प्यार होगा मैं खुलकर सबसे बताऊंगी।
हाँ बताएंगे, आप लेकिन यहाँ नहीं बताएंगी, बाद में बताएंगी, बाद में बताएंगी। Okay? So thank you.
Is Bipasha single?
I'm single till I'm married. Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, last question.
You're doing a campaign? Why I like?
Yeah, like Zoom and Times
No,
Now.
I like men with stubble. I never said I like clean-shaven men.
Okay, thank you very much.
Wrong campaign.
Thank you all.